Look at this beautiful baby. Wow. 2002 Honda Accord Coupe V6, amazing. Mufflers and great bass equipment. You'll love this vehicle. It's just fabulous. I drove yesterday from Orange County up here to Big Bear just like nothing. It's just amazing, and it's gorgeous too. You want to hear the sound? It has only 128,000 miles on it, original, salvage, because they replaced the door. It had an accident before. I run the Carfax on it already. Has an alarm system. You want to call me? That's me. Anytime, I'm available. Send a text or call anytime. I just paid the whole fees and did a small check yesterday, so it's ready to go. It's ready to go. This beautiful guy. Gorgeous, handsome, powerful car. I want you guys to listen to the engine. It's just crazy. Look at the interior, such a good condition. Like any other vehicle, has a little thing right here. Other than that, everything is just gorgeous and in good shape. Sunroof. I drive with my little girl, so she loves all this stuff. Remote control. Let's hear the engine. Roar. Ready for action. Here we go. Vámonos. Open the hood to check it out, the engine. Getting familiar with this thing. So easy to open, but ahí está. There is 3.0 VTEC engine. He just had the timing belt kit replaced for a pound. Brand new battery I just got on Sunday as a warranty. It's run amazing. A lot of belts replaced, not just the timing belt. No leaks or any major issue. The car is just fantastic. Ready to go. Let me show you the bass in the back. Turn it off. Look at this. Ready to go. got it.